Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to block websites on the Brave browser step by step. This can help you avoid distractions, block harmful sites, or restrict access on a shared computer. Let's get started. Brave browser does not include a built-in feature specifically for blocking websites, but you can easily block them using extensions or your system settings. Here is the easiest method. Method 1. Block websites using a Chrome extension. Step 1. Open Brave browser. Launch the Brave browser on your computer. Since Brave is built on Chromium, it supports Chrome extensions. Step 2. Go to the Chrome Web Store. Open the Chrome Web Store and search for a website blocking extension such as BlockSite, Stay Focused, LeechBlock. Choose one and click Add to Brave. Step 3. Install the extension. Click Add Extension to install it. Once installed, the extension icon will appear in the browser toolbar. Step 4. Add websites to the block list. Click the extension icon. Open its settings. Add the websites you want to block, for example, facebook.com, youtube.com, instagram.com. Save the settings, and those sites will now be blocked. Important tip: extensions are usually the easiest option because they allow you to quickly add or remove blocked websites without editing system files. And that's it. That's how you block websites in Brave step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical browser tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.